Hello. Since everybody already submitted the assignment this time for Lisp, so I want to give you the solution and explain a little bit about the assignment. So there is one question. It's about to program for binomial coefficient by using like multiple recursion. Also we call it doubly recursion, right? So here you see we have two formulas on this condition. If r equal to 0 or r equal to n, we get to use this formula. Otherwise, we need to use this formula. And before we can do the programming, I want to explain about a little bit about what does BNR mean and why do we need to use this formula to calculate the binomial coefficient. So here we need to go through the statement of this question, and it says BNR is the coefficient of the term xr in the binomial expansion of 1 plus xn. Actually, n is the order of the highest order of the polynomial if we do expansion, right? And then xr that means the coefficient for x to the order of xr. And here also there is one example, b for 2. So here you see the highest order of the polynomial is 4, and y is 2 because here this term x square, this term, the coefficient is 6, right? And also you can check this video. Actually, I already posted this video on Moodle, and also this guy is very famous. You see Khan Academy. Actually, this guy, I see some news that Bill Gates, he wants to invite this guy to Microsoft, maybe Google or some other big companies by a lot of dollars, right? But this guy refused the invitation, and actually he did a good job on the online teaching. You see, KhanAcademy.org. So here, this one actually show you the Pascal's triangle for binomial expansion. So here you see it's like a triangle, the whole thing, right? And the first line is 0th order. Suppose a plus b and order is 0, and then this line 1 plus 1, 1, and the first order a plus b to the first order, and then a plus b to second order, to third order, to fourth order. You can see that after expansion you can get all the coefficients at each order. And also on the 0 level, first level, second level, on the level down, the coefficient is a combination of the coefficients from the up level, right? This level, on this level, the coefficients is a combination from the up level. And the same thing for fourth order. Is 4 is from 1, 3 from the third order, 6, 3, 3 from the third order. So here you can check with this video if you do not get it, why we can get we need to use the triangle. And also I want to use the triangle to explain something different. Actually, in our assignment we use 1 plus x to nth order, right? So let me show you the 1 plus x to the nth order. You see here 1 plus x nth order. Yeah, okay. Let me use the sketchbox. So let's see this one, and first let me do the do couple things, right? Couple lines. We have yeah, I need to make it bigger, and then let me see to choose this one. Yes, and let me do this one. Oh no, 1 plus Yeah, let me check if it's recording. Yeah, it's working. And first let me show you a couple lines. Maybe start from 1 plus 1 plus x, and then we get 1, the first order, right? And then we have should be 1 plus x. Yeah, that's easy. And then go to here, 1 plus x, second order equal to, so should be 1, 2, right? Because 2 is from the coefficient from 1 and x, and then we have 1 to 1. So let me do this, 1 plus 2x plus 1x squared. Okay, let's do 1 plus x, third order, and then we can have 3, 3, and then should be 1, and then 1, right? We can have 1 plus 3x plus 3x squared plus x third order. Okay, 1 plus x, 4. We have these two. We can get 6. These two we can get 4. These two we can get 4, and also 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x third order plus actually 1. Yeah, I'm going to put 1, right? So here, let me explain about something about the formula. Need to check the formula in the. So here is the formula, and BNR equal to 1, and BNR in general is Bn minus 1 r minus 1 plus Bn minus 1 r. So also let's go back to the sketchboard, and let's see, it's let's find in general, right? BNR equal to Bn minus 1 r minus 1 plus Bn minus 1 r. So y, let's check this one, 6, right? 6 is from 3 and 3. So 6 means this is BNR. So in this case, what's the order, highest order of this polynomial? Is 4, right? So it's 4. N is 4. What is R? R is 2. R is the order of this term, right? And then that means we need to use N minus 1 and R minus 1. N minus 1 is 3. So that means need to go to this line, right? Third order polynomial. And N minus 1 is 3. And let me. Three. And r minus 1. What is r minus 1? R equal to 2. R minus 1 should be 1, right? And then we need to have n minus 1, r. N minus 1. Still, n is 4. Go to the third line, right? And also 3. N minus 1 is 3. And r is 2. So you see 3, 1. 3, 1. The coefficient 3. 3, 2 coefficient is also 3. Also, let's check this one. And it's from these two, right? 1 and 3. So n here is 4. R here is 1. That means we need to check n minus 1 is 3. R minus 1 is 0. and a minus 1 is 3, r minus r, you see, a minus 1 r is 1. So we can find it's 1 and 3. So that's why 1 plus 3 we get 4. So here, first I want to show you how do we get the formula. Oh, and another thing is b n r equal to 1 when what? When r equal to 0 or n equal to r. So you can find this pattern, right? So here, actually r, you see, these terms, r equal to 0, right? And this term, n equal to 1, r equal to 1. n equal to 2, r equal to 2. n equal to 3, r equal to 3. n equal to 4, r equal to 4. That means n for these terms, there is a pattern like n and r, they are equal. So that's why we get two equations, based on two conditions. If r equal to 0 or n equal to r, we can get the coefficient should be 1. Otherwise, we should use the general formula. Okay, first, let me load the file. Actually, just open the file. The program already created, so I don't have to waste time on typing it for now. And here actually it's in the home folder, and I name it like Binomial Lisp. And also let me create another one, and also we need to use Alt X and then slide. So okay, that means we can run it. So first let me explain a little bit about the program. You can see actually this program is not very hard, right? So we know that for the first line, first equation, actually for some special case, if r equal to 0 or n equal to r, we need to set the coefficient as 1. Otherwise, b and r should be equal to b n minus 1 r minus 1 plus b n minus 1 r. So here, so you see this one means b n minus 1 r minus 1. This part is b n minus 1 r, and then we use plus to put these two terms together, right? So this one means if a number r is 0, and then we'll return a Boolean value true. And also this one can check if n and r are equal. If they are equal, then it's true, right? So here we use OR logic. So this is the program, and if I run it, I need to Ctrl+C, Ctrl+C, and then compiling, and also we can check. Actually we want to check binomial, right? Binomial, and if fourth order, the second one, we want it to be 6. Yes, like in the example, the assignment, you can see, and also how to trace it. We need to use trace binomial, and then we can trace it. So you see here, if we type still, we want to type the binomial 4 and 2 space 2, and then we can see the whole process, how to do the recursion thing. You see here the number 0, 1, 2, 3, and then go to 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, something there. These are the level number. Actually, first we call this function, right? When we call this function, we need to call two things. First one is a 3-1, and then 3-2. Like here, if we call 4-2, and then we get 3-1, and then 3-2. right? 3, 1, and 3, 2. And then if we want to do 3, 1, we need to have 2, 0 and 2, 1. 2, 0, actually, since r equal to 0, we can get return like 1, and then 2, 1, we need to call another level, should be 1, 0, and then 1, 1, and then actually 1, 0, since r equal to 0, we can get 1, and 1, 1, since n equal to r, we can get 1, right? And likewise for 3, 2, we can do like call 2, 1, and then 2, 2. 2, 1 and 2, 2, and then go to 2, 1, need to call 1, 0 and 1, 1. After 1, 0, get return is 1, and 1, 1, get 1. Need to plus 1 and 1, the return values. Then we can get 2, right? And then if we get 2 for this one, 2, 1, actually also we need to get 2, 2, it's 1. Right, so we get 2 and 1, we get 3. If we get 3, that means we can get for 3, 2, it's 3, right? And before we can get 3, 1. 3, 1 is also, you see this level is also 3. So 3 plus 3, we can get 6, right? Yeah. It's good by using Lisp we can trace. You see, it's very clear, right? Otherwise the recursion thing is very hard to understand. So yeah, that's it for the assignment about binomial. If you want to use Lisp to program for that binomial. Okay.